From the desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the April 30th trading session. I have the Aussie in front of you. Very interesting session today. Good day to lose money. I bet a lot of people saw this candle from the previous session on Tuesday, saw us break above there, and probably thought we were about to go straight to the moon. As you can see, that has not been the case, and we've actually formed a very bearish candle in the form of a shooting star. 0.8 has been a significant level on longer term charts for some time, and the fact that we formed a shooting star here makes me think that we may see a significant sell-off. If we can break below the bottom of this candle, I don't see any reason why we don't go down to the 0.7850 region or so, possibly even lower. What I found interesting about the session is that the US dollar sold off drastically after the weaker than anticipated GDP numbers, which makes sense. But at the same time, you have to keep in mind that the Australian dollar is a commodity currency. It's a risk appetite type of currency. If the US GDP is bad, and if the GDP of pretty much every other economy is bad, who's going to want to buy copper? Who's going to want to buy zinc? Who's going to want to buy various other minerals and stuff that the Aussie supply to the world? So I think what happened is, towards the end of the day, you had people thinking twice and thinking, well, maybe this might be a global issue. And if that's the case, the Aussie has no business going higher. And then on top of that, the Federal Reserve statement wasn't anywhere near as dovish as traders anticipated it being based upon the weak GDP numbers. So we had a bit of a double whammy. I don't know that we're going to melt down here, don't get me wrong, but I think that we are about to see a pullback. And if we break below the bottom of the shooting star, I'm shorting this pair. If we break below here, we could just drop all the way down, really, given enough time, down to about 0.75. I don't have any interest in buying this market, although I do recognize that a break above the top of the shooting star would be very bullish. But I don't think it's until we get above 0.82 or so that we're really free of all of this barrier. So this is a sell-only market still to me, and the fact that we formed a shooting star after that type of volatility just tells me more about the Aussie as a currency that right now I just don't want to trust.